Costs and risks for independent production ballooned after private insurers, hit by massive COVID claims and heavy losses, excluded communicable disease from all policies and, basically, won't reinstate them unless they're forced to. This second go-round of the Pandemic Risk Insurance Act, or PRIA, does just that, requiring insurers to participate in the program, administered by the Secretary of Treasury. It calls for the government to shoulder 95% of insurers' pandemic-related claims. Coverage would kick in if the Secretary of Health and Human Services declares a significant outbreak of infectious disease as a covered public health emergency. Insurance companies have resisted PRIA, insisting that pandemics are not insurable. For the film and TV industry, the pandemic is far from over, said Jean Prewitt, President and CEO of the Independent Film and Television Alliance. The inability to secure full insurance coverage for the risks inherent in film and television production, standard for our industry and required to lock in financing, since March 2020, continues to damage production and production-related jobs across the U.S. We need partnership with the FEDERA. The Pandemic Risk Insurance Act introduced today would create the public-private solution that is needed. Partisan gridlock in Congress has made passing of anything a heavy lift, and this bill has a long way to travel. The first PRIA languished for months. Maloney said optimistically during a House Financial Services Subcommittee hearing a year ago that she hoped to get the legislation passed during President Joe Biden's first 100 days. It's the only federal option under consideration now. A separate effort by an industry consortium called ACICP had been pushing hard for a temporary government COVID loss backstop, like the ongoing scheme in theUK that has revived production so successfully there. The American Coalition for Independent Content Production was tied specifically to entertainment, unlike PRIA which crosses sectors. It shut down for lack of support, including from the industry, as some felt that a broader coalition was better and that focus on a temporary backstop could distract from efforts for a longer-term solution like PRIA. The group that helped mold PRIA 2021 is the Business Continuity Coalition, consisting of policyholders representing more than 70 million workers across the U.S. including 50-plus industry organizations and companies from broadcasting, communications, construction, entertainment, events, gaming, IA,